guys, today we're making grilled cabbage steaks with sautéed sausage and onions. Perfect for any occasion. You want to start by carefully cutting your cabbage into 2-inch rounds. Use a cookie cutter or a knife to remove the core from the center of your steak. Then rinse your cabbage well, being careful not to lose the round shape. To season our cabbage, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of salted butter and 3 tablespoons of lemon butter and melt it in the microwave. While our butters are melting, we're going to place each steak on a sheet of foil. The butter is all melted. Take a look at the beautiful spices. Now we're going to generously add butter to each steak using a pastry brush. You want it to drip between the layers. Carefully flip each steak and repeat. I already seasoned the other side, so let's go ahead and season this side. Please use the seasonings of your choice. Today I am using some complete seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, a little chicken bouillon powder, and finish everything off with some parsley. Fold each package up like an envelope to seal. For more added flavor, I like to use some type of sausage. Today it's a smoked beef sausage, but my favorite is an andouille sausage to kick things up a bit. We're also going to add an onion. I like to cut my sausage in a wagon wheel shape, then cut each into fours. Take the onion and give it a rough chop in large pieces. And we're ready to take it to the grill. I have my grill set to low, and I'm going to add each package seam side up. To cook the sausage and onion, I have added a small griddle to the grill. Dredge with olive oil, then add the onion and sausage and saute until your onions are translucent and your sausage has the color that you desire. Then set that aside. Open each steak package and equally distribute your sausage and onion mixture. Cook an additional 5 minutes, then remove from the grill. Our cabbage steaks are ready. Guys, remember, use the seasonings of your choice and make this dish your own. Let's open one up. Take a look at that. Let's go ahead and plate. Plate them up for an elegant dinner or serve them up in foil for a cookout. Either way, it's a winner. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to keep life simple. And we're going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.